Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a cleaning hack. I have left my bathroom mirror without cleaning it for so long to show you an amazing way to do it. You can see it's full of dust, toothpaste, smudges, so dirty. This tip helps you clean your mirrors for little to no money, very fast, without streaks, very easy, and you can clean this way not only mirrors but also windows and any kind of glass. Lately I did a lot of videos about cleaning hacks. If you are interested, I will link the playlist at the end of this video. First, I take everything down from the mirror's shelf. All you have to do is to spray some glass cleaner on the mirror or even water. It works with spraying just water too. Take a sheet of newspaper, crumble it up and use it to wipe. When it gets wet, change it and continue scrubbing until all the glass cleaner or water is gone. It works like magic and doesn't leave streaks, dust or lint, how it can happen with microfiber cloths, rags or even glass cloths. Look at this beauty, crystal clear. This hack is amazing. No more toothpaste, dust, smudges, all clean and shiny. Next I wiped the shelf and all the products I had in there with some disinfectant spray cleaner because they are so dusty and I haven't cleaned them for so long. You can see my mirror looks perfect in no time and even with no money because water or a very cheap glass cleaner and an old piece of newspaper cost almost nothing. Newspapers contain no scratching materials as calcium carbonate or silica that can create damage to a glass surface. In comparison to standard cleaning cloths and towels, it is rather rigid in structure. It doesn't separate and there is no lint after cleaning with a newspaper. Did you know that in the 80s and 90s, some small newspapers or local weekly papers would sell sheets of newsprint paper that hasn't been printed on specifically for cleaning windows and packing delicate items? This applies to cleaning mirrors throughout your home, whether it's a bathroom mirror or a full-length mirror, and windows, of course. The final result is amazing. Who doesn't love a sparkling clean streak-free window in no time? Please let me know in the comments below how you clean your mirrors. I want to thank each and every one of you for being here and for all your support. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!